Why did it come to this? It was an unusually hot and sunny December 31st. My partner and I were given a case by a carrier pigeon. We should have known right then and there that things would go sour for us. Chicken Noodle Soup, world famous actress that has been a staple of the food movie business for years. She went missing last week without a trace. Foul play is suspected. That's why the pigeon found us. Ty and I were the go-to private eyes for missing soup.
You know, Frank, the mom has a lot to do with missing soup.
Is that so?
Yeah, my time hanging around these junk food places, I've made some connections. My guy, Minestrone, he might be able to point us in the right direction.
Alright.
Oh, look who it is! Dumb 1 and Dumber 2.
Cannon, we're looking into Chicken Noodle Soup's vanishing. Was wondering if you had any information.
What's in it for me?
Did I not use this can opener on you?
Alright. I know a guy named Mac who knows something. I'll set up a meeting for you at 1:20 in the parking lot.
This Mac guy is bad, Frank. He eats metal for fun. Why'd you start smoking again?
Old habits die hard, I guess.
Mac? Oh, he's not Mac. He's just a cheese.
What do you know about Chicken Noodle Soup going missing?
Oh, her? Some kid bought her from the store.
What a thrill with
You want to know how I know? I sold her. I'm glad she's gone. Now mac and cheese is back on the menu.
You. Seems like they couldn't take the heat, eh, Italian? Italian?
Italian, no!
I guess they had my expiration date.
Don't say that.
It's been a hell of a ride, partner. Why did it come to this?